How to install and use Via Versa with Zoom. Open up a web browser and type in the room number followed with a /. Click on the link below that says Download Via Versa Driver and follow the instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open up the Via application. Then click on the green button to start presenting. Open up the Zoom application and sign in to start your meeting. On the bottom left-hand side corner, click on the small arrow next to the microphone icon and select Microphone Via Versa Audio and Speakers Via Versa Audio. Click on the small arrow near the video camera icon and select Via Versa Camera. Via Versa should now be operational and running properly on your device.